Is it a scooter, or is it an adventure bike? Face with raised eyebrow. This is the 2026 Honda ADV160, and it's officially changing the game for urban riders. If you're tired of boring commutes, you need to see what this mini Africa twin can do. Welcome back to BikeZone-USA. Today, we're looking at a machine that refuses to be put in a box. This is the 2026 Honda ADV160. It takes the practicality of a scooter and mixes it with the DNA of a rugged adventure bike. Whether you're dodging traffic in downtown or exploring a dusty backroad, Honda says this is the only tool you need. Let's see if it lives up to the ADV badge. Rugged design and build. The first thing you notice is the stance. It looks muscular. You get tapered handlebars, just like on a big Africa twin, and a two-position adjustable windscreen that you can change without any tools. But the real star here is the suspension. We're talking 31 Showa forks up front and twin Showa piggyback shocks in the rear. This setup gives you over 5 inches of travel, making it one of the smoothest rides in the 160cc class. Performance and engine. The ESP Plus tech. Powering this beast is Honda's 157cc liquid-cooled ESP Plus engine. It's punchy, quiet, and incredibly efficient. With a top speed of around 70 mph, it's more than capable for city boulevards and even short highway bursts. It features fuel injection PGMFI and a smooth V-matic automatic transmission. And because it's a Honda, you know this engine is built to last forever. Smart features and storage practicality. Honda nailed it. You get a smart key system, so you never have to take the key out of your pocket. Lift the seat, and there's a 27-liter weatherproof compartment. Plenty of room for a full-face helmet. There's also a 2-liter dash compartment with a USB-C charging port to keep your phone juiced up while you ride. And for safety, front-wheel ABS comes standard, giving you massive confidence on wet roads. Who is it for? So the bottom line, the Honda ADV160 retails for around $4,499 in the US. It's for the rider who wants a daily commuter that doesn't feel like a toy. It's tough, techy, and honestly a blast to ride. What do you think? Would you take this mini Africa twin on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to BikeZone-USA, and remember, the road is yours. Stay safe.